Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am taking a look at the Fast Gold Scalper EA for MT4. This expert advisor is currently available on the MQL5 Marketplace. So let us just go through the product page, look at the features provided by the developer, review the backtest results, and then discuss what we can learn from the historical performance. Starting here on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see that Fast Gold Scalper is developed by Abdul Kader Ahmad Chowdhury Zahir Ahmad. At the time of this review, the EA is priced at 20,000 US dollars with rental options available for 1 month going for 50 US dollars, 3 months for 100 US dollars, 6 months for 500 US dollars, and a year for 1,000 US dollars. All right. The current version is version 1.11 and the product comes with 5 activations. According to the marketplace description, this EA is designed for XAUUSD, which is gold, as well as major Forex pairs. Looking further into the description, the developer states that the EA is built for scalping and is intended to operate on lower time frames ranging from M1 through M15. The product description also mentions that the trading logic incorporates volatility analysis, candle behavior, and trend filtering to help identify potential trade opportunities. One point worth noting is that the developer specifically states that the strategy does not use martingale, greed, or arbitrage techniques. So for traders who prefer systems that avoid those approaches, that is an important detail provided directly on the product page. Now moving into the settings section, we can see several adjustable inputs. There is the option to use either a fixed lot size or an auto lot feature, allowing traders to choose between a fixed position size and a risk-based approach. There is also a risk percentage setting, which determines how much of the account balance is allotted to trading risk. Additional inputs include stop loss and take profit values, giving traders control over exit parameters. There is also a max spread filter, which can help prevent entries during periods of higher transaction costs. The magic number setting allows the EA to uniquely identify its own trades. All right, while the trading time filter can be enabled or disabled for session-based trading preferences. The developer also notes that the EA is optimized for low spread ECN brokers and recommends using a VPS to maintain uninterrupted operation. As always, they advise traders to test on a demo account before considering live deployment. Now let us move on to the backtesting section. As we review the historical testing results and chart activity, it's important to remember that backtests are designed to show how a strategy performed under past market conditions. They can be useful for analysis, but they should never be treated as a guarantee of future results. So the images shown here basically are just trades, showing trade histories of perhaps positions that were executed by the expert advisor. But let's head over to our strategy tester. Let's see, you know, um, the report of how this EA performed over the past 3 months. So testing the Fast Gold Scalper on XAUUSD on the M15 time frame as recommended, and I'm using the every tick modeling. All right. So looking at the report, I can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was negative 9,920. Out of 4,142 total trades taken, 8,079 were profitable, and that gave a 26.05% win rate. That's pretty low, right? It's actually low. The largest profit was $5, largest loss $5, average profit $5, average loss $5. Wow, what a perfect one-to-one risk to reward ratio. And then when you put that side by side with the win rates, it's not surprising at all. You have a 1:1 risk to reward ratio and a win rate of just 26%. Obviously, it's not surprising to see a negative net profit. In fact, in this case, the account was almost blown, right? But let's just quickly turn on the visuals. Let's also see this EA in action. Okay. So looking at the historical chart activity, we can observe how the EA generated entries and exits throughout the testing period. Now, based on the marketplace description, the system combines volatility assessment, candle behavior, and trend filtering as part of its decision-making process. Beyond those details, the exact proprietary entry and exit logic is not disclosed by the developer. So it is important not to assume anything beyond the information provided, right? Now, when evaluating any historical test, I always prefer to see longer testing periods covering different market environments. A broader sample size can often provide a more complete picture of how an EA responds to changing volatility and market conditions. But I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Okay, so looking at the historical performance metrics, it is actually important to evaluate them in context. Results can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size configuration, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, trading conditions, and any optimization performed by the user. Overall, the Fast Gold Scalper is presented as a scalping-focused MT4 expert advisor designed for gold and major Forex pairs, with built-in risk management options, spread filtering, trading session controls, and support for lower time frames. As with any automated trading system, thorough testing on a demo account and careful optimization remain essential before considering live use. So that is my review of the Fast Gold Scalper Expert Advisor for MetaTrader 4. If you have tested this EA yourself, feel free to share your experience. And I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, kindly like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.